Hello everybody, my name is Rafael and I'm one of the TPIs for the 2024 to 2026 school year, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to use Zot4Plan, which is a software used for UCI for your planning that can help you map out your classes from your first year all the way to graduation. So on the right side you'll see this little panel with my anteater asking you to please select your major. So I'm just going to select mine. For example, it's going to be informatics. And then it's going to open the drop down, and then once you select it, it automatically loads all the courses for your major across your 4 years, going from lower division up to upper division and specializations if applicable. And then in the center you'll see a plan organized by your first or fourth year, and then within each year you'll see the fall, winter, or spring, or even summer as well. And if you want to add another year as well, you can add one at the top left, and then it will show right here. If not, you just take it off as well. So you could also turn in the prerequisite check. So you could also check if you're going to be taking a class that has required prerequisites. So on the right side, after you select your major, you're going to be able to switch between your major, your minor, for example, GE, or even AP exams. So if you took APs during high school, then you could also put those there, or even college classes as well. So going back to the major now, you could look at the lower division requirements. For example, for my major, I have to take ICS 31, 32, 33. So for example, I took those during my first year, so you can just put them in this sort, and then it knocks out which series you did. Then you could go down as well. You have another set of lower divisions, and you'll also put those throughout the time that you take them. And then from your upper divs, and you can also do that as well. It tells you how many you need to take from there. For example, select through the following, yada yada. You can also add a minor if you want. So for example, my minor is Chicano Latino Studies. So then it shows you which courses you need to take, which I took those during my second year. So you could also put them like that, and it also shows you the upper divs as well. And if you are interested in adding a double major, then you could also add it like you would add like a normal major. For example, my other major is game design, so then it would pop up right here. To look at the classes for your other major, then you just select this button right here, which is an arrow, and it shows you which other classes you need for that major specifically. But that's Zot4Plan for a pretty simple tutorial. You can lay out your quarters, check your requirements, and you have a clear roadmap to your graduation. Just please make sure to check the current course offerings through your school's website that shows you the updated version of all the school requirements. Thank you.